Light does more than illuminate life. T creates new possibilities for health and wellness. From discovery to innovation, light therapy technology has continued to evolve. Today, Magique Power is committed to advancing multi-wavelength light therapy. We provide safe, non-invasive, and high-quality red light therapy solutions to clients worldwide. With over 10 years of experience, a modern production base, advanced manufacturing lines, and a professional team, Magique Power delivers reliable one-stop ODM and OEM solutions. Our product range includes LED light therapy beds, red light therapy panels, and other professional light therapy solutions. These products are widely used in rehabilitation, sports recovery, beauty, and wellness. Driven by strong R&D, strict quality control, and international standards, Magique Power continues to bring innovative and dependable products to the global market. Light is the medium, health is the foundation. Magique Power, your trusted ODM and OEM partner in the wellness and beauty industry.